Don't hurt me.
That one. Look, I don't even need this part. Get on the other side, sissy. Get on the other side.
What your arm is on my left. Your arm is breaking. Safety first. Safety first.
There's no way out of here. There's no way out of here. You cannot get up. You know, you can't. You can't get out of this thing. You can't stand up. You can't do nothing.
No, no. He's got to.
So what you gotta do is like hold this up. You have to,
Oh, yeah.
Don't hurt the
Bend your knees or up
no,
your
you
chin.
can't do nothing. You gotta.
Wow. Yeah, that's a hard predicament.
Now I'm propped up against this thing here.
Doesn't enjoy videotaping.
Alright, thank you. There's no way out except flipping over. Now you got two bad chairs.
Oh. Did you get it all done?
Oh, yeah.
So I think she owes you $10 for that chair.
Oh,
Yeah, you gotta put me down.
They're mass producing them.
I hope you said in that by mistake. Oh my God, look at those.
I hope you don't.
Jesus. There ain't no way out of that chair because it clenches up in like a Chinese finger trap. You can't get out.
He's blowing his head around.
I'm like
out
this,
there, yeah.
And she just said, I know you heard me yelling.
No, I didn't.
I know that you heard me yelling.
You can have this back now.
No, that's all I'm done playing.
You gotta put it up, you got it out.
No, I didn't get it out. They're making me put it away and I didn't get it out.
Who's next?